Barawave is the all-in-one, AI-powered business management platform designed to simplify how you work. From a single dashboard, you can manage finances with invoicing, payroll, contracts, and budgeting. Streamline HR with recruitment, training, attendance, and performance tracking. Grow faster with CRM tools that capture leads, manage pipelines, and close deals. Keep projects on track with task and workload management, and handle payments seamlessly with Stripe, PayPal, and gateways worldwide. Barawave also integrates with the tools you already use, like Google Workspace, Outlook, Zoom, Trello, and Slack, so your team and data flow effortlessly. And with AI built in, you can draft documents, automate tasks, analyze data, and keep workflows moving without micromanagement. No matter your industry, retail, healthcare, real estate, logistics, education, or beyond, Barawave adapts to you. Barawave isn't just another platform, it's the smarter way to manage your business, from finance to people to growth. Simplify management, save time, scale faster. Start today at barawave.com.